Hi, it's Mimi here. Today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Yummy Mummy Closet and Lelia's Activewear. So today I'm going to be making one of my favourite post-workout meals, which is spicy king prawns with a mango and avocado salad. So this is one of my favourite post-workout meals because it's packed full of protein, it's highly nutritious, and it's the perfect way to replenish your body after a workout with zero guilt and 100% yumminess. Stay tuned to see how I make this yummy meal. So there you have it, guys, a simple, flavoursome and very nutritious post-workout meal. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling hungry, so I'm going to tuck in. See you in the next video. Bye.